From the PEP Radio Newsroom, this is part one of the hourly news blast. Advocate is reporting as the Trump administration intensifies its campaign against transgender people's health care, families across the country are asking a federal court to stop the Justice Department from obtaining the private medical records of transgender children. 11 families filed a proposed nationwide class action Saturday in federal court in Maryland, seeking to block the Department of Justice from enforcing subpoenas sent to children's hospitals around the country. The subpoenas demand extensive protected health information related to minors who receive gender-affirming care, including names, home addresses, social security numbers, dates of birth, diagnoses, and treatment records. The lawsuit, in re administrative subpoenas to children's hospitals, represents a dramatic escalation in the growing legal war over transgender rights under President Donald Trump's second administration. Families and civil rights attorneys accuse the federal government of weaponizing investigative powers to intimidate hospitals, frighten parents, and create what they describe as a de facto registry of transgender youth receiving medical care. The plaintiffs are represented by GLAD Law, the National Center for LGBTQ+ Rights, and Brown, Goldstein, and Levy, LLP. The Department of Justice has turned its investigative power into a weapon against families, and it has to stop. GLAD Law Legal Director Josh Rovinger said in a statement shared with the Advocate. Federal courts have been clear. These subpoenas have no legitimate purpose. They are designed to harass and intimidate in order to further a political agenda. The filing comes less than 48 hours after another major legal setback for the Trump administration's broader campaign targeting transgender healthcare providers and medical organizations. On Thursday evening, Chief Judge James Boasberg of the U.S. Court for the District of Columbia temporarily blocked Federal Trade Commission investigations into the World Professional Association for Transgender Health and the Endocrine Society, ruling the groups were likely to succeed on claims that the investigations were retaliatory and rooted in hostility toward transgender people. In sharply worded opinions, Boasberg said the administration had shown extensive evidence of animus and relied on wafer-thin justifications lacking evidentiary support in targeting the organizations. That's the news blast for this hour. We'll have the rest of the story during the 4 p.m. hour. The PEP Radio is available on the Live 365 app, the PEP Radio page at paequality.com, Roku, Alexa, and wherever you find streaming radio. Up next, we have the Meadville area weather forecast here on PEP Radio.